say.
Yes.
Please, can you just tell us just brief about yourself and what's the reason you are actually having the trust in this product, sir?
My name is Oladele Adeoye. I'm a doctor of energy medicine. I specialize in what they call quantum architecture. Quantum acupuncture is not the way you use needles. You use nutrition with energy. Miiracell, from my experience, provides the nutrition to power the battery inside every cell. Every cell has a battery, with medical people they call it mitochondria. Inside that mitochondria are the energy packets called ATP. When those batteries are discharged, like your phone, when your phone goes low, you charge it again. Miiracell has the ingredients to charge those batteries. So the discharged battery is called ADP. Miiracell makes it back to ATP. And when you use Miiracell, your body can make 32 energy packets from one glucose molecule. And that's what makes this product so unique. Now, why am I taking 3 gold packs? Because every time I recommend this product for my clients, they get magnificent results.
Wow.
So I came here to tell Mr. Michael Moore that my challenge is to make sure that these products are available. Because the products have done wonders, I want to partner with Revoobit to make sure that as many as have problems, there is no need for going abroad. All this medical tourism is because they don't know about Revoobit. When they know about Miiracell and the other products, Miiracell, Miiratiara, and the coffee, this is the one that I've been concentrating on, and the results I'm getting are amazing. And I told Mr. Owoye, there is something inside the pack which they mentioned that when you use Miiracell, you need to drink so many liters of water per day. That is not quite so. The water you need is a function of the patient's weight. When you combine that with this product, you will get miraculous results. They will continue coming back. It's because they are coming back that I've come to pick, because I can't afford to wait for my stock to go off before I now start registering. That's why I've come to pick 3 gold packages.
That is 60.
Yes, 60 packs.
Wow.
At a
60
time.
packs.
And that is just the beginning. I was telling Mr. Owoye,
wow.
That's just the beginning.
Wow.